Let me uncheck product and let me bring date instead. Only the date. Please make sure that you have country in the filters and date in the rows. Okay. And the amount in the values. Those are the only three check boxes that should be checked. Okay. Now let's try to group the dates. Dates are grouped slightly differently. Let's say I pick any one of the January dates and I right click on it and I click on group. Now it gives me an options. How do you want to group a date? Do you want to group dates by months, days, hours, minutes, seconds? No, I want to say I want to group by quarters. So I will check quarters and I will click on days and months to unselect them. But I want everything to be done by quarters, right? And click OK. And notice all of the items are now, all the products are now divided by quarters. So this is the quarter 1 total, that's the quarter 2 total, the quarter 3 total, the quarter 4 total. So you could group by quarters. Let's select this and let's ungroup it. Let's uncheck the date and the country.